they will look how they feel.
This is a nice setup, though. Shout out to Spider Farming. I might have to check them out. Get my little 6-pack set up. Run my fucking grow here better. You dig? Go ahead and get it automated from the looks of it. Yeah, I'm down with that because I ain't even got to be at home. I just got to set the plants. Make sure they got water and food a couple days. Yeah, that's that in and out.
Alright, so you've seen what's been growing on in the garden. We're currently about to jump into flower, and I'm going to take this video all the way through the 5th week of flower, and as I'm recording this voiceover for this video, we're in week 6 at the moment, and the plants are stacking up nicely. But here's the deal. If you want to see the final results, the harvest, the yield, so on and so forth, that's going to be up to Spider Farmer. If you think Spider Farmer should make this a full series, go down to the comments and type "Lock it in, Spider Farmer," so they know we're serious.
What up, Piff? Good to see you. Hopefully you're smoking good, doing good. I'm gonna go check out Piff. That's for home.
I really want to share this grow with you all in its entirety, but remember, this is all going to be up to Spider Farmer. So let's work together to ensure we get this content out, especially for those who may need it. I made sure to capture footage of me feeding my plants in a very informative way. Although I feel that people should find their own feeding schedule, I'm willing to share mine if it helps. My hope is that we build influence with the voice of you, the audience, a voice so big it's impossible to ignore. So go ahead, spam the comments section and demand that Spider Farmer lock it in. I'll be checking the comments section frequently, so make sure your voice is heard. Remember, for the next 4 weeks, I'll be hosting a giveaway for I Love Growing Marijuana, or ILGM.
Yeah, that's one of those things I say. Shit. Like if I start from seed, I automatically had that thing bent over like day 6, day 7. Because by then it's
everyone
already,
is free to participate, but
yeah,
in order to be eligible to
bent
participate,
you over
you must be
then it'd be
subscribed
producing
to my
secondary
channel.
from the start.
Also, I'm hosting a giveaway on my Instagram, which is at